Literature Resource Center is a database of literary criticism, reviews, and biography. From the advanced search form, type in keywords relevant to your search. Note that the default settings for the advanced search form designate particular lines as searching for specific types of information, such as the title of a literary work and the name of an author. As an example, let's look for literary criticism about Toni Morrison's novel, The Bluest Eye. Type Bluest Eye into the search bar designated for the name of a work. Then type Toni Morrison into the bar designated for an author's name. If you're searching for only scholarly journal articles, check off the box marked Peer-Reviewed Journals. Then click on Search. Here are the search results. They are sorted into different categories at the top. To open one of the search results, click on the title. Here's a scholarly journal article analyzing the novel The Bluest Eye. You can download the article as a PDF file by clicking on the Download button. You can also save the article to Google Drive or OneDrive by using these other two buttons.